Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Hatch Restore. It's a very cool all-in-one personalized sleep solution. It has a personal sleep routine, reading light, sleep sounds, and a sunrise alarm. Over here, Sleep Gets Personal, describing how somebody can design a sleep routine. On the back here, designed for your dream sleep. And then you can see here, I've just opened it. There was a piece of gray tape here that said XOXO, and then when you take it off, it says opened. Put that where you can see it. It's good to know if you're buying this secondhand if somebody's opened it. Fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up gently. Those are the claims, and I have never used this before, so I'll have to give y'all an update if it's good or not. Hello everyone. You can see I'm connected to Wi-Fi. I'm about to get started with this setup, so I'm going to click the Hatch Sleep app. I'm going to hit sign up. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've entered my name, my email, and a password, and now I'm on to push it. This is the next screen. It says push notifications, next, allow. Okay, looking for Hatch products. When I first started this app, it did ask if I wanted to allow Bluetooth, so I allowed that, but I didn't get that on the video. Let's get started. First, plug in your Restore and grab your Wi-Fi password. During setup, we recommend placing your Restore as close to your router as possible. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on. Press and hold the pairing button on the bottom of Restore. The clock will display on when ready. Let's come over here. I'm pressing the Restore button. Oh, okay, there we go. Perfect. Restore right there. Be right back. Okay, here we go. Sleep magic in progress. It's gonna take a few moments or minutes. So watch this video on a Restore. Okay, cool. So at this point, I'm looking at the restore, and it's already synced the time. It's got 11:09, just like on my phone. Currently yawning because it's actually almost time for me to go to sleep. Okay. Takes a little while with this setup right here. Okay, I don't want to watch that again, so I guess we just hang out until it's ready. While that's working, let me show you what I'm seeing. Oh, there we go, that's good. They're more green now. There we go. What should I name it? I could name it Sleepy after the dwarf from the Disney movie. Luna. I think that's cute. There was not a code inside the box, so I think this is my only option. Okay, we'll get there. Okay, thank you for being a Hatch Premium member. Cool. Done. Having a regular bedtime routine is essential for getting better sleep. Get started. Okay. Which of the following could you use some help with? Getting to bed at a decent hour, falling asleep, staying asleep, waking up, falling back to sleep after waking up in the middle of the night. Going to bed at a decent hour for sure. Falling asleep and falling back to sleep after waking up in the middle of the night. That doesn't happen too often. And waking up, yeah. After getting in bed at night, 20 minutes before falling asleep feels like an eternity. I'm out like a light. Just the right amount of time to feel sleepy. No time at all, I'm still wide awake. Hearing which of the following might make you feel most sleepy. Soothing natural soundscapes, sleepy stories read aloud. Simple guided meditation. I'm going to choose this one, although I do like meditations. Which sound do you like best for sleeping? White noise, ocean, rain, forest. I don't want any sound while I sleep. I like rain. Okay. Your recommended bedtime routine. Reading light for 20 minutes. Reading before bed is proven to reduce stress and help you sleep. Wind down for 45 minutes. Wow. Wind down with sounds designed to help you quiet your mind and ease into sleep. And then sleep until I tap the restore. Natural sounds block ambient noise while you snooze, helping you stay asleep all night. And then you can adjust later. Cool. Tap the sensor on the top to start your routine. Okay. Tap again to skip to the next step in your routine. So after clicking that, it's got the reading light on and it's pretty bright. It's not the brightest it's been since I've turned it on. Step 2, it dimmed it down significantly. Press and hold the top of the restore to turn it off. Okay. Nice. And when you do that, it changes the clock from the time to the word off temporarily. So that's good to know. Tap the pencil to customize your bedtime routine. Okay, then I've got a little message down here. Pause to read. I do want this. I think it'd be good to do all of these. 9:15. Save. Okay. So let's set an alarm. Let's look at. Okay, well, they've got a ton of things up here now. Color. Default. I don't like that. Oh wow, that is super bright. Oh my gosh. Save. Like that a lot. I'm so excited to get this going. Okay. Okay, you tap the top to snooze for 9 minutes. Press and hold the top for 2 seconds to turn off the alarm. Got it.